Greetings to all around the world. It is a great honor for me as one of the youth leaders from Burundi to share an exciting announcement with our fellow Burundians living in China. On February 15, 2025, we will be hosting a significant gathering in the city of Guangzhou, China, which will be a fantastic opportunity for connection, idea exchange, and contributing to the growth and development of our beloved nation. I support this event as it will bring together young people who will not only live with new friends, but potential new family members and even soulmates. It is an event that will create lasting bonds, and I truly hope to see you there. On another note, the ongoing war in Congo has claimed the lives of hundreds of Congolese civilians. It is a truly heartbreaking as they remain uncertain about the origin of this rebellion. We extend our deepest condolences to them and keep them in our prayers. Lastly, I urge young people around the world to take a stand and be a part of the solution to domestic crisis. By stepping up as a shield and a force for change, we can inspire hope in our leaders and support them in addressing the challenges they face. Let us not take any opportunities for granted, but instead use every chance to make a meaningful impact.